In today's video, I am going to teach you how to confirm that Brevo sent to inbox, not spam. To get started, sign into your Brevo account and look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you will find the main navigation. First, click on Campaigns. This section is where Brevo stores your email campaign activity, including performance details that help you understand how your messages are being handled after you send them. After you open Campaigns, select Statistics. The Statistics area gives you a high-level view of how your email program is performing overall. In the top right of the page, locate the Deliverability Score. This score is a quick way to gauge your overall inbox health. In simple terms, it helps you understand whether your recent sending patterns look trustworthy to mailbox providers. A healthier score usually suggests your emails are more likely to reach inboxes instead of being filtered out. Take a moment to view that deliverability score and treat it as your big picture indicator. It is useful for spotting trends over time, especially if you recently changed your sending frequency, your content style, or your list source. Next, go back to the Campaigns area and click Email. This will bring you to the list of your email campaigns, where you can check results for a specific message rather than your overall account performance. Find the email you want to review, then click Report next to that sent email. The report page contains detailed metrics for that particular campaign, which is important because one email can perform differently from the rest, depending on the subject line, the content, or the audience segment. Inside the report, open the Deliverability tab. Here you will see the percentage of emails accepted by recipient servers. This metric matters because it tells you whether receiving mail systems allowed your emails in at the door. A higher acceptance rate generally indicates fewer technical rejections, and it is a strong sign that your sending setup and list quality are in good standing. Once you have reviewed the deliverability details, you can repeat the same report check for other recent campaigns to confirm your inbox performance is consistent. And that is all there is to it.